Hello everyone, I've just walked into the Real Canadian Superstore. I have some grocery shopping to do, but before I go into the grocery aisles, I thought I would go and head over to the home decor, the patio decor, all the summer things that might be out, and film them and share them and see what's here and if there's anything interesting or DIY worthy or any inspiration for home decorating. I thought it would be fun to film for you guys. Oh, this one is cute. Little drama llamas with the pom-poms on the side. I always like looking at their picture frames just to see if there's anything. I like this faux wood grain, very natural look, almost like a boho theme. And oh my goodness, the candles always get me. I always have to smell a few candles while I'm here. These are really nice. Even to put them outside on the patio. So I'm just entering the outdoor patio furniture area. I absolutely love the blue and white prints that are out right now. Just they're so classic, and I'm just going to take a look and see the rugs and the pillows and see if there's anything that stands out to me. Even for my craft room, I can use something. It's so cute. Look at this little sea mermaid print, like the scale print. The lawn chairs. Oh, there's so many nice things for decor. Cute mugs with the initials. Just gonna go down through the different aisles. Ooh, I don't know if you guys, this cute mug. I have this one here. I love that mug. I love this hammered effect. I actually bought these little bows here for my downstairs for the bar. I like putting out little snacks and stuff in them. So I keep looking to see if I find any more of the, of those, I don't know what you'd call them, the glasses that I just bought from your dollar store with more. Just take a look and see if there's anything similar here. But oh, these are cute. It kind of goes with, well, no, they're pineapples, but the whole yellow and green lemon theme. Oh, the marble ones are nice too. Marble effect. Hey, they have some similar cups like that at Dollar Tree. They have similar things like this at Dollar Tree as well. This one here is $7.98. I bought a blue one to match my craft room. Oh, I like that they're incorporating now the blue and white print. How cute would this be with those floral plates from the Dollar Tree? You can add little pieces here and there from different stores. Here's some printed glassware. The little palm leaves. Lots to choose from, that's for sure. A little bit for everyone to match your taste, your decor, your style. Oh, I really like this large plate. How nice of a serving platter is this? I think still my favorite, I gravitate towards the blue and whites, that's for sure. It's so pretty. I don't need anything new. I mean, if I found an accent pillow or something that really was gorgeous, I wouldn't hesitate to buy it, but that's cool. But for now, I don't really need anything here. This is really pretty too. Wow, a lot of these baskets are actually available at Dollarama for a lot less money. Some of them even you can find at Dollar Tree. There's some of the outdoor inflatable things. Outdoor games. Volleyball. Oh, these are all like the disposable things. I'm gonna go and look at the paper napkins and stuff. Sometimes there's some DIYing you can do or decoupaging with these gorgeous. These are really pretty. Yeah, sometimes you can do some really nice stuff. Oh, I really like this tray too. Yeah, these are so pretty. I just wish I was a straw. I wish this was more like a, not with the straw, I don't know how to explain it, one of the sippy type water bottles with just an opening. I'm just not a straw user. Ooh, some really nice stuff here. Love, love, love this print. I think I'm gonna have to pop in here closer to the end of the season and see if I spot any big trays on sale or clearance. Oh my gosh, how cute are these? The iridescent. Oh, I really like them. There's different colors. Oh look, the placemats like at Dollar Tree. Yeah, I'm gonna have to pop by here again. Ooh, I like this too. I'm gonna have to come back in a couple weeks once they start marking things down. Maybe I can find something on sale, especially the white and blue trays. I just absolutely love them. Oh my gosh, so many cups. I wish that these had like more of the, I don't even know how to call them. Ooh, this is nice too. I like glass because I use lemons and stuff and citrus. So oh, look at these things. So nice. So farmhouse too. There's so many nice items out right now, but I do have to come back once there may be some sales. Would you guys like to see when I come back and film to see if there's anything that goes on sale? I mean, the pricing is a little bit high right now. I'm not too comfortable with the pricing. I don't really want to pay, $20 for a tray, especially because it's melamine. Go through this area here. Actually, I need some baking supplies for my daughter's fundraising basket for school. the Mission Day stuff. Their theme is baking, so I'm going to take a look down here and see if there's any nice items I can purchase for their basket. Oh, these would be nice in a nautical themed bathroom. Very pretty. An apothecary. So many nice choices here too. Marble effect. Probably one of my other favorite things to do is take a look at bath towels. If the price is right and the quality is great, I don't hesitate to buy them. But if the price just isn't right, I'm very particular about the cotton. It's easy for me to just walk away. They look so plushy and fun and all the colors and everything, but I can just say, no, I'm good. Alright, so I'm on my way into the grocery store area, and this is the last aisle here before it kind of separates. So I'll just take a quick look at this display. Oh, see, those are the pillows that match those paper napkins. This is a really cute basket. Like if you have some pillows or a throw, and to sit that out by your couch or something. Anyways, I hope you got, oh, this is cute too. I like that it indents. I hope you guys enjoyed walking around with me at the Real Canadian Superstore. This is similar to the Dollarama one, except mine's silver. Or metal, I should just say. It's not painted. Alright, off I go into the grocery store. Have a wonderful day. Thanks so much for watching. Bye for now.